You're gonna pay, you're gonna fucking pay. Oh, that's the wrong way! You know, we really shouldn't be doing this.
Where's the fucking money? Where?
Where's the fucking money? Where?
Man, fuck you. You gotta fucking eat this shit.
It actually held up well. Alright, baseball.